Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have a sump pump issue with a customer that called me. She says it's not working. So the water level is above the drain that fills it up right now. So she's a little bit worried. So we're gonna go over there and take a look at it, see if the pump's gone. If so, we're just gonna replace it. And yeah, so I'll see you there. Get it. Alright guys, I'm back at this sump pump job. I've already tested it, so what it's doing is tripping the GFI that it's plugged into. That's usually the motor will be dead. I can check it out once I get there, but this is also original to the house, so that's about 15 years old. So we're going to swap it out. Got a new backflow preventer, and the pump is just a half horsepower. So let's get into it. Oh my God. That's definitely stinky. I have a garbage bag here I can just put it right into. It's definitely smelly. Wow. Here's the new pump here. Half horsepower, Everbuilt. You don't have to, but I'm gonna just throw some Teflon around here. Just gonna let that set up. This is the grommet for the wire. Like so. You don't have to go crazy with this joint either, it's just this pump is calling for a weep hole in here, so I got to drill a 3/8 hole in the bottom of here, or a 3/16, sorry. Go 4 inches up. That's it. This is the backflow preventer I have here. It's for 1.5 inches. You want to make sure you put these on the right way, obviously, or they won't work. They have a flow arrow. I don't know if you guys can see it, it's right here. So water goes this way, and anything left in the pipe will go back down here and just sit on there, so it can't get back in. You have to cut this right about there. Rubber washer. Get that in there. Like so. Alright, we're good. So what I'll do now is I'll put the cover back on. Just want to make sure I had everything properly cut. Everything's good. We do have to make sure though down here that that float is gonna move properly. You want to have this straight. So right about there. Good. All right, I'm gonna cut this 4-inch pipe. It's getting in the way of the float. It's not the prettiest cut. It's fine. Put this back in. That's going to work perfect now. Okay, now that that's cut, I'm going to put the lid back on. I know I won't have an issue with that. It was like that, so I'll try to get it right about there. Perfect. One grommet. Where's the other one? Here it is. These just keep the lovely smells out. Okay, I'll put the backflow preventer back on. My hands are just greasy, so there you go. I'll test this out now, and that'll be it for that. There you go. It's working. All right, I'm just going to button this up, clean up the mess. I don't know why she has one Tafcon holding that down. There's supposed to be stainless steel screws around here. I just don't have any. So, but yeah, that's all good. Let's go clean this up. She does have a couple other things she wants me to do here. So this is a Saturday today. I'll probably come back Monday and do the other couple of things. Get her central vac plugged into this sump pump plug, and you can't do that, it just trips out all the time. So they moved it to have a water tank installed, the central vac system. So I'll be putting another plug just by it, and then she won't have that issue anymore. And yeah, so other than that, there you go. Get it!